Dear students, welcome back with your instructor Ali Raza Ligari with subject of the cyber law. So we are discussed about the definition in the previous classes. Some of the definition are the remaining. What is the offense? Offense means an offense punishable under this act except with committed by a person under the 10 years of the age or by a person above the 10 years of the age and under the 14 years of the age which has not attained the sufficient maturity of understanding to the judge. Now the definitions, these are the definition of the offenses. Offense, which means an offense which is committed by the person which is under the age of the majority, which means above the 18 years. The nature and consequences of his conduct are that occasion, which means that age is also dependent, but the nature of the committing person is also matter. Unlawful or offensive content. What is the unlawful or offensive content? Unlawful or offensive content means the offense as defined in the section 2R. Person. Person means a legal or natural person and includes the body, politic or corporate. Person means legal भी हो सकता है, natural person भी हो सकता है, या पॉलिटिक लेवल में बॉडी हो सकता है, या कॉर्पोरेट लेवल जैसा कि मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी वगैरह होते हैं. These are also including of the person. What is the prescribed? Prescribed means rules or regulations made under this act. What is the term meaning of the rule? Rule means a rules which is made under this act. कुछ कानून के लिए कुछ rules बनाए जाते हैं ताकि उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकें. What is the seized with respect to an information system or a data includes taking the position of the such system or data or making any retaining of the copy of the data. What is the sexual exploitative conduct? This is the very important definition which are under the section under the PICA Act. Section 27A means an actual or simulated sexual intercourse including the genital or genital oral, genital oral genital, anal genital or oral anal, whether between the person of the same or opposite sex, or bestiality or the masturbation or sadistic or masochistic or abuse, etc. These also are definitions which are the very important. I again repeat it that these are the very important definition. We are should we discuss about the definition. What is the service provider? This is the very also important definition. Service provider includes a person who acts as a service provider in relation to the sending, receiving, storing, processing or distribution of any electronic communication. These are the acts as a series of the provider, service of the provider, in relation to the sending, receiving, storing, processing or distribution of any electronic communication or the provision of the other services in relation to the electronic communication through an information system. Or B is also cover the definition of the service provider. Owns, possesses. These are the very different. Owns, possesses, operates, manages or controls a public switched network or provides the telecommunication services, or includes by the Act number 2 of 2025. These are also definition of the which are mentioned under the PICA Act. Process or storage data. Process or storage data on behalf of the such electronic communication services, or these are the very important. Process or storage data on behalf of the such electronic communication services are users of the such services. Now, what is the definition of the sexual abuse? Sexual abuse of a minor. What is the sexual abuse of the minor? The sexual abuse of the minor shall have the same meaning given to the sexual abuse in the section 377A of the Pakistan Penal Code. Now, what is the Pakistan Penal Code? Pakistan Penal Code is an act which is prescribed the punishments, rights and liabilities, are define the offence and which are mentioned under the general crime. Now, what is the social media platform? Social media platform means any person that owns, provides or manages online information system for provision of the social media, for the purpose of the social media, for the vital regarding the role of social media or social network services, or a website, application or mobile web application, platform or communication channel and any other such application and services that permits a person to become a registered user, establish an account or create a public profile for the primary purpose of allowing the user to post or share the user generated content through such an account or profile, or enables one or more users to generate content that can be viewed. So, which is very important, clear words such as an account or profile or enables one or more users to generate content that can be viewed, posted or shared by the other users of the such platform, but shall not include the license of the Pakistan licensees of the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. Now, what is the definition of the subscriber information? What is the subscriber information? Which are definition covered under the 29 of the PICA Act 2016. Subscriber information means any information held in any form by a services provider relating to a subscriber other than the traffic data. Now, what is the definition? What is the meaning? What is the explanation of the traffic data? The traffic data give the definition defined under the section 30 of the PICA Act 2016. The traffic data includes the data relating to a communication indicating its origin, destination, route, time, size, or duration or type of the services. Now, what is the definition of the tribunal? What does the tribunal means? The tribunal, this is the very important definition. These are the way many times repeated under the PICA Act. Means the telecommunication appellant tribunal. Telecommunication appellant tribunal, which is established under the section 7A of the Pakistan Telecommunication Reorganization Act 1996 as an amendment through the establishment of Telecommunication Appellate Tribunal Act 2024. This is the very important and amended under the in the 2024 years. What is the term tribunal mean? Tribunal, what does the term tribunal mean? Tribunal means the social media protection tribunal. Tribunal means the social media protection tribunal which are established under the chapter 1C of the PICA Act 2016. What is unauthorized access? Unauthorized access defined under the section 31 of the PICA Act 2016. Unauthorized access means access to an information system or a data which is not available for access by general public without authorization or in violation of the terms and condition of the authorization. यानी कि आपको उस चीज़ की ऑथराइजेशन है ही नहीं, उसके बावजूद उस डेटा को आप ले सकते हैं, तो वो डेटा जो है वो अनऑथराइज्ड डेटा हो जाएगा. मेरे मोबाइल का सेटिंग चेंज हो गया, सबका चेंज हो गया, दीज आर सो अनऑथोराइज्ड डाटा हमारा कवर्ड हो रहा है, हमारी डाटा कौन पर, व्हाट इज़ द अनऑथोराइज्ड इंटरसेप्शन shall mean in a relation to an information system or data any interception without authorization. Now what is the definition? Unsolicited information which are covered under the section 32. Unsolicited information means the information which is sent for commercial and marketing purposes against explicit rejection of the receipt and does not include marketing authorized under the law. And second also subsection 2, unless the context provide otherwise, any other expression used in this act or rules made thereunder but not defined in this act shall have the same meaning assigned to the exception in the Pakistan Penal Code 1860 and also the Code of the Criminal Procedure. What is the Code of the Criminal Procedure? 1898. The Code of the Criminal Procedure is the procedural law. What is the Code of Criminal Procedure? Is the procedural law. Substantive law is violated. The Code of Criminal Procedure is activated. And how to proceed? What is the Kanun-e-Shahadat Order 1980? Kanun-e-Shahadat Order is subjective law which also plays a significant role how to conduct the examination, how to examine the witnesses before the competent court of the law. Now the cyber law, in this definition there are the main three important laws are repeated in the many times. Number one, Pakistan Penal Code. Now what is the Pakistan Penal Code? Pakistan Penal Code is the substantive law which provides the definition of the offences, define the crimes, give the punishment of the offences, define the punishments, liabilities, duties and rights of the person, of the citizen of the Pakistan. Now what is the Criminal Procedure Code? Criminal Procedure Code also repeated in the many times under the PICA Act 2016. Why? Because of the PICA Act 2016 is a substantive law. The procedural law is the code of the Criminal Procedure Code 1898. ये प्रोसीजर कोड है, इसलिए ये पाकिस्तान पीनल कोड और क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए कि जब भी कोई ऑफेंस कमिट होगा अंडर द पीका एक्ट 2016 में उसको कैसे प्रोसीड किया जाएगा बिफोर द कॉम्पिटेंट कोर्ट ऑफ द लॉ में, वो हमें प्रोसीजर बताता है क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड 1898. ये नहीं कहा जाएगा कि जनाब वो तो पाकिस्तान पीनल कोड का प्रोसीजर कोड है, नहीं, ये क्रिमिनल ऑफेंसेस का है. सो साइबर लॉ इज आल्सो इंक्लूड क्रिमिनल लॉ. कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर. कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्सटेंटिव लॉ है, सब्जेक्टिव लॉ है, जिसमें हमें विटनेसेस का प्रोसीजर बताया जाता है. हाउ टू एग्जामिन द विटनेसेस, व्हाट इज द लीडिंग क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द चीफ इन एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ, व्हाट इज द क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन, व्हाट इज द लीडिंग क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रिफ्रेश ऑफ द मेमोरी, हाउ टू रिफ्रेश ऑफ द मेमोरी, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द प्रेड, समथिंग एल्स. सो ये तीन लॉ जो हैं वो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्रिमिनल लॉ के पिलर्स हैं, जैसे कि साइबर लॉ, पीका एक्ट 2016, पाकिस्तान पिनल कोड जो जनरल लॉ को डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, जनरल क्राइम्स को, और उसकी प्रोसीजर कोड दोनों की क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड है. सब्जेक्टिव लॉ जो है वो कानून शहादत ऑर्डर एप्लीकेबल होगा. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हमारे जो डेफिनेशन क्लास थे वो एंड हो रहे हैं. इंशाअल्लाह ताला वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.